Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina. Sam, South Carolina Applebee's. And it's right now it's about 60 degrees. It's not as wet as it's been. I'm feeling better. My wife, she's feeling better. And I'm out here, and we hope we continue feeling better. We thank you for all your get well stuff and comments on what I need to do to get better. They've all helped out. We appreciate it, but we're going to see if we can't get back into the bees now. But this is hive number 302 Grapevine. And it had a yellow queen. We're going to look in it now and see if they still got grocery. It's been a while since I've been out here. That's why I give them as much food as I do when I do. Okay. They've eaten their sugar, most of their paper. They're up at the top. See if we can't get y'all a little bit closer to where you can see them. See, the whole top is covered with bees there. And we're going to feed them. We're not going in them because the weather's not right yet. But they're there. So we're going to give them some pollen. There you go, girlies. They say we got another little warm spell coming. Which would be real nice. Take the paper towel and put it right there. If y'all are new here and you don't know what we're doing, watch some of the other videos on how we feed our bees in the wintertime. We just put some dry sugar on them. That way they save their honey and stuff for springtime buildup. We thank you for your new subscribers and your comments, and watching and everything. Y'all we thank you. And that's all we're going to do to them. Now this sugar will insulate them. We've been having 20 degrees at night. 20 degrees for maybe 10-12 hours. Today it's warmed up a little bit, but the sugar will help out with the moisture, help out with saving the heat. The bees don't have to go far to eat from the cluster. But that's this one. Say this is 302, and we'll be going to another one. Y'all have a marvelous day. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Main thing is be happy. Y'all have a great one.